Okay, students, we are learning exponent. Question number 11 and 12 is left. Question number 11, I of course did it, but the cancellation part, once again I will show you. You could understand 12 how it is. Then 12 to the power 3 means 3 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 3. Isn't it? 15 square means 3 to the power square into 5 to the power square, because 15 is 3 into 5. Now 20 cube means 4 cube into 5 cube. That you understood, no? That I have written. Again 4 cube split it into 4 2 to the power cube 2 square whole to the power cube. See, 4 cube can be written as 2 square whole cube. 4 cube can be written as 2 square is 4, then cube. That means 2 to the power 3 to the 6. So 4 cube can be written as 2 to the power 6. That way I have written. Now 3 square. Could you understand? 3 square is already there, 5 square, and 4 cube again 2 square 2 to the power 2 into 3 6. Now this, okay, now as a product of prime factor, you have done it, prime number you have done it. Now you will be doing the cancellation. See, the cancellation is very easy and interesting. Power 3 power 3, same base power you have to cancel. Here 1 3 left because power 4 was there, power 3 is here. So 1 is more here, so 3 will be. Now this 3 can cancel this square. Here it was more by 1, so 3 to the power 1. Got it? Now 2 to the power 4 will be cancelling 2 to the power 6 and will become 2 square. Isn't it? Now 2 square again can cancel to 2 to the power 4. That will become 2 square element. Then this 2 square can cancel and it will become 2 to the power 4. Similarly, this 2 square can cancel, it will become 2 square only. So remain with 2 square. 5 square can be cancelling and it will become 5 square only, because power 4 minus 2 is 2. Then this square will be cancelling and power here is 3, so 5. What you have got, denominator 1, denominator nothing is there, means 1. Numerator 3, 2 square and 5. 3 into 4 into 5, which is equal to 60 answer. Could you understand? It was quite confusing in the last video at the end. That is why I made it. Now moving on to question number 12. Write as a square or cube number. That means a number you have got, you have to make that number as the square of something. Whose square is this? That we have to find out. So to do that, you are supposed to divide the number as a product of prime factor. So divide, small division you do. This number will be divided by 2 because large digit is 2. So 1152. Again 2, so it will be divided by 2, came 576. Again it will go with 2 because large digit is 6. So it will be 288. Again it will go with 2, it will become 144, 72. 72 half is 36. 36 half is 18. 8, now 9 came, 3 it will be. So it is actually 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 to the power 8. Can you write down 8 means, that is equal to 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8 into 2 to the power 8 into 3 square. Isn't it? 2 to the power 8 into 3 square. Why? 2 to the power 8 and 3 square. Half of the power, if it is 2 to the power 4 square, 2 to the power 8 can be written as 2. Can you write down this? And into 3 square. Therefore, 2 to the power 4 into 3 the whole square. If you solve it, 2 to the power 4 means, 2 into 2 into 2, that is 16 into 3, 48 square. 2 to the power 4 means 16 into 3 square is equal to 48 square. That means this number is 48 square is equal to 2304. So what answer you need to write down? You write down this way and write down as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 square, because half of the 2, one pair you take 1. Okay, another pair you will take another 2. Then third pair you take the third 2. Fourth pair you take the fourth 2. And out of these 3 2 you have to take the 1, because you are making the power 2, double of the base. So if you multiply this thing, 48 square. Got it? Now moving on to this question also, similarly divide. Short division you must know, don't do it. If you do, it will go with 2 because it's an even number, can be divided by 2. So 2048 divided by 2, 1024, divided by 2 512, divided by 2 256, divided by 2 128, divided by 2 64, divided by 2 32, divided by 2 16, divided by 2 8, divided by 2 4, divided by 2. So see, 2 to the power how much? 12. So it can be 2 to the power 6 power 2, because you have to make a square. Square means power. So whose 2 into 2 into 6 times 2 multiplication will be 64. 2 into 2 into 2 is 64. Could understand? So I will tell you 2 into 2 6 times. I will multiply and show you into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64. 64 square. It can be 64 square, or whose cube it can be. 2 to the power 12 can be. 2 to the power 12 can be written as power will have to make 3. So what is remaining? 2 4. No. Now 2 to the power 4 is how much? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That is 4 4 is 16. It can be 16 cube. So this number will be either 64 cube or 64 square or 16 cube. Could you understand? Any number, these are the perfect square number, so that it is having the positive exactly 64 square. If you multiply 64 with 64, then you will find this. If you multiply this number with 48 and 48, you will find this. Otherwise, if you multiply 16 into 16 into 16, you will find this. Could you understand? 16 cube and 64 square is 4096 and 48 square is 2304. I hope you have understood. Practice all this thing. Doubt if you do not hesitate to talk to me.